Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sana Saraiki. I'm an anchor person Suraj TV HD. It is my request that you should subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you may receive the new notification of the latest video. To the topic of speech which I am going to deliver is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. There are so many great personality, but I like Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, a person who was not only a man but a whole institution of truth, honesty and sincerity. He was born at a rich and admired family in Karachi. He got higher education from abroad. The proud of his worth, a successful lawyer, and stepped in the field of politics. Quaid-e-Azam observed the miserable condition of Muslims and decided to work from them. He presented his case of two-nation theory in so effective way that each corner of subcontinent resounded with a single voice. लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, बट के रहेगा हिंदुस्तान. It was the result of his wonderful leadership that on 23rd March 1940 the Pakistan Resolutions was presented at the place of Minar-e-Pakistan, Lahore, and the Pakistan movement entered in the new phase. Then the sound of Get Pakistan converted into the utmost passion of the Muslim community in subcontinent. Quaid had a broad vision, a wide and talented vision, a bold and clear vision, a massive and energetic vision, a live sense of political work which can lead the whole nation over the path of a unique course. And eventually on the 14th August 1947, yes, the Pakistan of Quaid, which was determined with the slogan Pakistan का मतलब क्या, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह. Quaid-e-Azam became the first Governor General of Pakistan. At the end, I want to share some of the green wording of Quaid-e-Azam. He said, "I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take a decision and make it right." Thank you.